Jasmy fundamentally acquired roughly 4.08% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. The EMA 50 especially is presently at $0.007 in an especially enormous manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin in a real sense is floating at $87,003,429, which sort of is genuinely critical. Jasmy fundamentally has its genuinely next opposition at $0.006 in an unpretentious manner. 02 July 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these much of the time. Basically got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What by and large is by and large transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin? For the most part, is Jasmy a very wise interest in a very significant manner? Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on in a genuinely huge manner. Yet prior to jumping especially profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, for the most part allowed us by and large to discuss the especially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,195,617,921,172. Exhibiting how market examination over the in every way that really matters, last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole cryptographic money market to $1,195,617,921,172, which by and large is genuinely huge. The exceptionally all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $24,077,659,794, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they for the most part thought, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19%, or so they in a real sense thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value reduction of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours, especially further appearance, how the in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $24,077,659,794 in a huge manner, while distributing this blog BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time span in a sort of significant manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 1.54. And as of now exchanging at 48 cents. So Jasmy for the most part acquired roughly 4.08% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is very huge. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in an extremely descending bearing for in every practical sense, present moment, showing how yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us truly discuss the sort of current economic situations, which for the most part is very critical. Right now, a by and large broad exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how the EMA 50 truly is at present at $0.007, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize essentially key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Support especially is a level at which purchasers most certainly become commonly more truly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized markers used to really distinguish essentially key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a sort of huge manner. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers really become move commonly dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting what especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19%, or so they basically thought. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. In every practical sense, current Jasmy coin cost for the most part is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 and the exact beyond 24 hours, which explicitly shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours. There by and large was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,195,617,921,172, exhibiting how market examination over the last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole cryptographic money market to $1,195,617,921,172 in a genuinely huge manner. At present, Jasmy truly is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in a truly significant manner. Jasmy coin value investigation. Jasmy cost examination for 02 July 2023, inside a truly everyday time span in a real sense, made sense of beneath. So support generally is a level at which purchasers really become kind of more extremely dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize exceptionally key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which certainly is genuinely huge. We utilize genuinely relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly basic moving commonly, normal, SMA, and outstanding moving commonly normal, EMA2 in every way that really matters. Examine the future development of the Jasmy coin in an exceptionally huge manner. The MACD line essentially is remaining underneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid. So Jasmy really acquired roughly 4.08% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in a genuinely large manner. Jasmy coin financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the by and large day-to-day outline, sort of additional appearance. How Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%. Or so they in every practical sense thought. The truly relative strength file, RSI for Jasmy coin by and large, is as of now floating at 19 for 14 days, most certainly normal line, which sort of means